Hello Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a channel reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless, so you can be open to messages anytime you come across this video. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Libra. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga gabay, mga paparating na energies and messages at gabay for Libra. Libra. The Sun. Okay. Well-earned, well-deserved na happiness para sa inyo, Libra. Okay. For some of you, you will be receiving an award or you will be rewarded because of your quality work. Okay? You are being recognized. Yung galing ninyo sa trabaho. Okay? You feel happy. For some of you, you are sharing abundance with your family. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune. Kung dati parang merong stagnant, no, hindi gumagalaw ang swerte sa inyo or walang improvement, okay? Now, merong sudden change na nangyayari, a positive change. Fortune is on your side, Libra. Okay? There is movement. Meron na ngayong movements sa inyong life. Okay? Pwedeng sa trabaho mo to. Okay? Or life in general. Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving money. Okay? Attention. Pwede din. Okay? For some of you, you will be receiving gifts. Or ikaw to, Libra. You will be communicating with someone. You will be giving attention to someone. You will be giving time to someone. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, merong job offer, okay? Natanggap kayo sa trabaho or you will be accepted in a job or in a project. Okay? Merong improvement. Yes. For some of you, you are dealing with two situations. Meron kayong desisyon na kailangang gawin. Yung iba, you are dealing with two persons. Okay? For some, you are budgeting or minamanage nyo yung resources na meron kayo. Okay? Kailangan mo ng balance sa inyong buhay. Okay, Libra? For some of you. Again, Two of Swords. May kailangan kayong harapin na sitwasyon. Kailangan ng inyong desisyon. You need to make a choice. Okay? For some of you, you are pretending na parang walang problema. Pero actually, there is. You are bothered. Okay? You are distracted. Yung iba sa inyo, you are waiting for some results sa trabaho ba to or sa inyong ina-applyan na trabaho or sa inyong projects, okay? For some, you are thinking about the ways, any other ways and means para ma-improve ang inyong pera or kaperahan. How to increase your savings or your money. Okay? Yeah. Maybe you're thinking about sidelines or mga side hustle. Okay? Yeah. You are reminiscing someone, okay? Or past memories na alala mo or someone in the past will communicate to you or magpaparamdam. Okay? You are thinking about past memories, sweet memories, okay, with someone. Yeah. Judgment. Meron kang self-evaluation or self-assessment na nangyayari. Maybe it's time for you to make a new direction, okay? New job, new location, new address for some of you, okay? May mga na-realize ka or self-reflection, okay? Na-realize ka na kailangan mong baguhin, okay? Baguhin sa sarili mo, your behaviors, okay? Your attitude, your mindset, your principles, okay? Queen of Wands. Yeah. Meron kayo, for some of you, meron kayong business na gagawin. Maybe a passion project, personal project, or creative project, okay? You need to move forward with your business, okay? Be confident, spread your wings. You are smart, you are intelligent, okay? You are assertive. You are charming, Libra. The Chariot, okay? Merong significant na achievement kang matatanggap, Libra. Okay? For some of you, you will be recognized. Or you will be traveling as well. Okay? Maybe you will be attending seminars. Determinado ka na ma-achieve or ma-attain kung ano yung pangarap mo, yung goal mo. You are determined. Okay? The Moon. There is uncertainty and doubt within you. Okay? Kailangan mo i-release ang fears na meron ka. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are in between two situation or two path. Okay? Two paths. Hindi mo alam kung aling direction, kung saang direction ka patutungo. Okay? Because of doubts, uncertainty. Yung iba sa inyo, malakas ang inyong intuition. May nararamdaman nyo na merong hindi magandang nangyayari in your environment or with the group of people that you're in or that you are with. Okay? You feel na parang merong gumagawa sa inyo na hindi maganda. Okay? The Magician. Okay? You are making your dreams come true. You are manifesting something to happen. Okay? You have the ability, you are smart, you are intelligent, okay, to make things happen. You have the skills and the resources. Yung iba sa inyo, you feel na merong ginagawa sa inyo na hindi maganda spiritually, like witchcraft, okay? Na ma-manipulate kayo or you are being deceived spiritually. Yeah. Or yung iba sa inyo, you feel na parang merong kumukulam sa inyo. Something like that. Okay? Yeah. Conflicts. Sometimes, these are nonsense conflicts, no? Or arguments. You have to get out from that. Okay? Merong disalignment, diskusyon. Okay? Hindi pagkakaintindihan. Because of changes, some changes. Maybe in your life situation. Okay? You feel that you are feeling attacked and you have to defend yourself. Okay? For some of you, parang complicated ang inyong situation, ang inyong life. May mga challenges, okay? Yeah. Queen of Swords. You know what you want, Libra. For some of you, you are overcoming hurts or pain, okay? You are cutting toxic people or unhealthy situation. Okay? Parang ayaw mong ma-involve or ayaw mong makipag-away, Libra. Merong discord, okay? In the situation, maybe in your relationship. You want to set things right. You know what you want, okay? You are cutting BS. Yeah, you are freeing yourself from disagreement, okay? From arguments or from fighting. Okay? You are embarking a new life, okay? For some of you, you are excited about the future. You are looking forward, okay, towards the future. Kung anong mangyayari sa buhay mo. For some of you, meron kayong mga projects, creative projects na tinitingnan. Okay? Na magbibigay sa inyo ng hope and abundance. Okay? You are taking a new direction for some of you, Libra. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are taking a chance on something, maybe a work, maybe yung iba sa inyo, you will be working abroad. You are going to take your chance. Okay. Okay. You have the skills, the talents na kailangan mo to succeed in life, Libra. Okay? Get out from the chaos. Okay? You are seeing life in a new light for some of you, Libra. Yeah. Knight of Cups. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you have you have intense feeling towards someone. Okay? Maybe someone will be apologizing to you, magpaparamdam, or meron siyang i-express na feelings. Okay? Meron siyang i-communicate sa inyo. For some of you, you will be invited to some events. Okay? Merong invitasyon. Okay? Yeah, you are looking forward towards stability, merong abundance. Okay? Okay. You are looking towards future chances, Libra. Yes, may mga kailangan kang gawin or tapusin. Honor your commitments. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are defending yourself. Okay? Yeah. You are learning to say no. Okay? You are showing your strength, Libra. You are defending yourself. Okay? And you are setting boundaries. Okay? So, merong new direction para sa inyo. Movement, okay? Merong important achievement kang matatanggap or magagawa, okay? Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung messages for Libra? Yeah, for some of you, you are in limbo. Okay? That you know, may mga iniisip ka na mga exciting endeavors. You are excited about the future. Okay? Meron ka mga plans. Okay? New opportunity awaits you, Libra. You just have to be confident with yourself. Move forward. Okay? Bright ideas. Have an innovative new inspiration. Test new ideas and break out fast. Take action on your ideas. Yes. Take action. Okay? Merong pagpaplano. So, inaalam mo na kung ano yung mga next step na gagawin mo. Kung ano yung mga challenges na pwede mong harapin. So, you are preparing for it. Looking. Have an eye for beauty and uncover hidden charms. Seek and you will find. Winning. Sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Don't spend everything at once. Sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Don't spend everything at once. Okay? So, inulit ko lang. To emphasize the winning. At else, tingnan natin. Sensya na sa ingay. Meron ginagawa dito sa bahay. Sensya na po. Message for Libra from angels. Ask for your needs to be met. God and the angels can come to your aid only if you make a free will choice to be helped. And it begins with asking. It doesn't matter how you ask God for help, but only that you do so. The same holds true with clearly asking other people to assist you. Okay? There is no there's no harm in trying and in asking help, Libra. Let's see ano yung spirit message for you. You are doing your best and that is enough. Any difficulties you face will not last forever. Release the thoughts and feelings that don't feel good. Focus all of your energy on love, happiness, and your hopes and dreams. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Libra. Maraming salamat sa iyo. All the best and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!